Hi, thank you for joining us here at Otter TV once again, and thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. So when it comes to investing, I want you to think about diversification. Diversification is one of those fundamental pieces that you have to do if you want to help minimize and reduce your risk. So today what I have here is, this is my investment. And whenever you have a certain investment, say you want to go out there and you want to buy a stock. When you're buying a stock, there's obviously going to be some risk factors involved. And with these risk factors involved, you have basically what this is to resemble your stock. Now say you go out there and just buy one stock. It's kind of flimsy, the market's moving up and down, so it's not a whole lot of diversification to help reduce a lot of this risk. So in this case, obviously my risk is going to be that this rubber band, if you will, is going to snap. And so how do I help reduce the risk of this from not breaking? Well, what you do is you go out there and you buy another stock, typically of a different industry, different sector. So say this first stock is a technology stock. Perhaps I want to buy a healthcare stock. And so now, as you can see, it doesn't move quite as much because it's being absorbed by the other stock. And you can keep doing this, and that's what's great about the ETFs. If you check out our blog, we talk about one of the reasons why you should check out doing an ETF, especially if you're a new investor. And so what's going to happen is, as you're adding more and more stocks to your portfolio, you become a little more diversified. As you can see, it didn't have as much, or doesn't have as much give and pull as the previous stocks did. Now diversification is great. So this is basically going to be my domestic market. And what the domestic market say that's going to represent the United States. Well, now I am now exposed to the United States. And so how do I fix that? Well, I look at diversifying. Say I'm looking at maybe Europe. And so this blue rubber band is going to represent my Europe portfolio, and I'm going to add that to my portfolio to help reduce the risk and to help strengthen it, so that in the event that there's another, God forbid, a financial crisis, look at that, it stabilizes that. And you keep adding to this. And that's one of the reasons why we definitely highly recommend that you try to diversify your portfolio. Through diversification, you're spreading out the risk. Okay, and ETFs are a great way, definitely because it is a pool of investments, and if you check out the fees, it's actually significantly lower than, say, mutual funds. So check it out. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Check out Otter TV, and you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.